Hi, everybody. Have a great day. This is Pronunciation Clinic, and I'm Eleuterio Caicedo. This is a linguistic homework at the forum at the second unit at Secar University, Bachelor's in English Teaching. Think about this. Three thoughtful teachers are working through their Thursday lessons. They want their students to speak clearly, read smoothly, and listen carefully. In the first class, the students practice words like think, thank, those, and whether. In the second class, they read short stories and try to keep the right reading and intonation. Finally, they speak in groups and describe their strengths and weaknesses. Although pronunciation can be difficult, constant practice, careful listening, and helpful feedback make a big difference. Through this process, both teachers and students become more confident speakers of English. Thanks. Have a great day.